Welcome to my maths class for 6th class students, chapter 8, geometry. Today I am going to start exercise. First, test your concepts, very short answer type questions. Fill in the blanks. An angle which is 30 degrees less than the right angle is dash. Which is 30 degrees less than the right angle. Right angle means 90 degrees. This is the right angle, that is 90 degrees. 90 degrees is called right angle. So 30 degrees less than the right angle. So 90 minus 30 is equal to 60. So an angle which is 30 degrees less than the right angle is 60 degrees. Second one, an angle which is 50 degrees less than the straight angle is dash. Straight angle means, suppose this is a straight line and take a point O here. This angle is called the straight angle and this is 180 degrees. Therefore, an angle which is 50 degrees less than the straight angle, that is 50 degrees less than 180 degrees. So 180 minus 50 is equal to 130 degrees. So an angle which is 50 degrees less than the straight angle is 130 degrees. Next, third one, an angle which is complementary to itself is an angle which is complementary to itself. An angle plus its complement is equal to 90 degrees. Or two angles whose sum is 90 degrees are called complementary angles. Here an angle which is complementary to itself, same, suppose the angle is x and its complementary is also x. So x plus x is equal to 90 degrees. So an angle and its complement same is equal to 90 degrees. Therefore 2x is equal to 90 degrees or x is equal to 45. So 45 degrees. The complementary angle for 45 degrees is itself 45 only. 45 plus 45 is equal to 90 degrees. That is, for 45 degrees its complementary is also 45 degrees. So an angle which is complementary to itself is 45 degrees. Fourth problem, a line which intersects two or more lines at distinct points is called a transversal. Suppose there are two lines like this. Another line intersects the two lines at two distinct points, then this line is called a transversal. Next, fifth, if L is a transversal of P and Q, a pair of corresponding angles is equal, then the lines P and Q are dash. Then the lines P and Q are parallel. That is, suppose these two lines are P and Q. A pair of corresponding angles is equal. Corresponding angles, this angle and this is corresponding. Similarly, this angle is corresponding to this angle. So corresponding angles are equal. So this angle 1 is angle 2. Angle 3 is equal to angle 4. Similarly, this side. So if only P and Q are parallel, the corresponding angles are equal. Here, as the corresponding angles are equal, the two lines are parallel to each other. So next, which of the angle is a complementary angle to 36? Which of the angle is a complementary angle to 36? So sum of the two angles is 90 degrees. One angle is complementary to other. So the complementary angle for 36 is 90 minus 36, which is equal to 54 degrees. So option D is correct. Next, which of the following is a reflex angle? 90 degrees right angle, 120 degrees it is a obtuse angle, straight angle, 200 is a reflex angle. So an angle which is greater than 180 degrees and less than 360 is called a reflex angle. That is, if this is OA and this angle is reflex angle. So greater than straight angle. So option D is correct.